Commissioner for Roads and Bridges Eyean-Okpagha-Amufi on 19 December 2023 joined body with teams of engineers from the Ministry of Works, Oriamon South Constituency Representative Bright Iyamu, who won their constituency representative Osawunyi Kesi, go do some check on the Eyean-Okpagha-Amufi Road Projects where they under construction by Edo State Government, and also to settle the small katakata where they for ground between Eyean and Amufi people sake of the road work. The small katakata wey dey ground be say Eyean people dey para sake of say dem no start the road construction from Eyean but go start am from Amufi community. Na this one join one of the reasons wey make Commissioner for Roads and Bridges Eyean-Okpagha-Amufi and team of engineers from Ministry of Works with Honourable Kesi come to calm the people and also to address the issues. Eyean-Okpagha-Amufi come tell our tori person Ilori Dorijon say the reason for the check na to know how far the engineers don go for the construction and still chook mouth on the thing wey dey cause the problem for the road and the possible solution for the moment.
Thank you. So we waiting carry from this area and I want to talk to the community, how the status of their work will they happen. This Okpagha-Amufi Road now which is called strategic road because it dey lead between Benin Agbo Road and Benin Abuja Road, and it cuts across two different strategic local governments. One of the local government na Ownde local government, the other one na Ikpoba-Oka local government. If you hear when the governor they talk say we need to find way to get alternative routes from federal road where they spoil, so maybe we help our community so that we have good way for logistics to move around, and this road serve as one of these things. The government don't award the road, and a very big road and a high quality road, but good say maybe they engage community on the start of the wetin dey happen, because the community come meet us say they wan know wetin dey happen for their road, say they don start from one side, they wan know wetin dey happen for the other side. Now we come bring us come here, come explain to them say the big problem wey we dey get for here, which even most of the places for Edo say na erosion problem. So we even come show them where the cause of the problem for the erosion, how we wan even tackle that one first as the road dey happen before rain go start again. And we also bring them come and show them say the government go complete this road. So na wetin bring us come here. So. We don't conclude the matter how we go how we go start, how we go do am. You know say all this one na engineering work. We go back to the office to see what we go do to kick start am, make we do am fast. So we go see the work on their road. So we don't conclude that side. You see, we come with all the team of engineers from the ministry. All of us come here. We don't put head together. So we don't agree with what we want to do for here. Thank you.
Osawunyi Kesi, they represent the people of Owonde constituency, can't give the people of Eyean full assurance say them go make sure say them construct the Eyean-Okpagha-Amufi Road, sake of say the road they part of wetin them take campaign.
Today, before now, the indigenous of about 3 communities where this road is serving, they raise a lot of issues. And part of those issues now say why government go start the road from Amufi side, which is Ikpoba-Oka, because this road now Eyean-Okpagha-Amufi Road. So today, now I reach out to my brother. You know, say our governor now action governor, and before now, this road now road where we don't use take campaign where we say if we vote for our party, we will come do it. So thank God, waiting we often make us happy and say we don't work don't even start for the road. That one our first joy. So today now I reach out to my dear brother, Honourable Commissioner for Road and Bridges. Say this thing not go let only me come talk to my people, because he explained to me. Now say make we come this afternoon, make we come meet with the indigenous of these areas where they fly this road and also the road users. Make we come explain to them. Say I see why it be like that. Not be say they want you only do Amufi side address. Because the project where they award from Amufi down to the beginning of the road, which is for Eyean Junction here. So not be waiting they want to do half. So now that one make us come here today. And we don't hear from all the community leaders and some stakeholders, even the youth, their worries. And those issues we don't put them to rest. And the commissioner na man of the West, now small body, big engine. He don't give us his words, and a person the man he wears with action. He don't tell us say, okay, what thing we need to do now to talk to the contractor for possible split. If some of the workers they work for that side, some still come here to come work. But the first thing first wey don first do, since na erosion be our major problem for this part of the road, na to first find how we first take remove the water. You know say rain and they no dey predict am. We dey dry season now, but before you know it, na rain fit just see fall. You say okay, the first thing wey don first do as a ministry na to see how don take talk to the contractor, make dem first find how don take remove the water, so that at least before the work go start for this house, you go still dey allow people dey use small.
The community chairman for House Committee on Works and Public Duty, Honourable Bright Eyean-Okpagha-Amufi come talk say im work na to do check on the road wey dem don do finish and to make sure say nothing disturb the work wey dem dey do.
My name is Honourable Bright Eyean-Okpagha-Amufi, member representing Eyean-Okpagha constituency, and I'm the chairman House Committee on Works and Public Utility. As my brother, Honourable Casey, will represent this constituency, draw my attention today about the thing wey dey happen between Eyean-Okpagha-Amufi community. Now I say good, make it be say I can't use my eye see am. Normally I suppose wait, make it be say they don't start the construction go far before I come, because my primary duty for my committee now to make sure say any road wey be say the government do, we go make sure say the road good well, to make sure say now wetin the people want, now wetin be say we see and say na erosion, now they bring the warriors for here. After they do the roads finish, we'll see and say erosion, not the warriors again. And lastly, before I stop, I will still try and beg our people wey dey here, not be to rush do road, na to do road wey be say go last for us. This road na erosion road. We no go rush go do and finish after like 2 years. We can't call government again say they can't join us, they can't do am again. Make we just try calm down. We know say this my brother wey dey here, he know the rest for the matter. He dey always take the matter up. So today we don't come join am. Other legislators wey be say still the own colleagues, they will still say and say anytime they come here come check this road, we go still dey come dey help una well, because Eyean-Okpagha and one there na one that will be. Now do well. Thank you very much.
One of the businessmen for Enya talk say in time the government for their plans to fix the road.
The Honourable Casey and the Commissioner for coming to our aid, because this Okpagha road is a big problem to us. Have been a big problem to us for like 7 years now. And during the rainy season, we cannot access it for like 8 months or 9 months. So the business owners, the residents that are inside, find it difficult when it's raining to get to their home or to get to their business places. So that's why we thank the commissioner, the government, the Obaseki regime for coming to our aid. And the commissioner have promised us by at least 2 weeks time, before 2 weeks time, they will start something. And which we are trusting them from their words, and we are still looking forward for them to come start the project as soon as possible, and solving the water issue. And if they can still go ahead further to tie the road for us as promised, we'll be very grateful.
Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ujesele, TMC TV News.